Are you looking for the best Nerf gun? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best Nerf gun on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Nerf Guns. The Nerf N-Strike Strong Arm Blaster is the leading single-handed style toy blaster that doesn't use batteries. It features a flip-out style cylinder that houses the 6 included darts that will have you feeling like you're the star in an old Western film. It is ideal for kids because it's easier to set to blast than many others. One of our favorite features of the N-Strike Strong Arm is if you keep the trigger held down, it can automatically shoot all 6 darts. Our only complaint with the Nerf N-Strike Strong Arm is that it takes longer to load than many other models. The revolver style is fun, but it could leave you vulnerable to people with toy blasters that are easier to load in a toy blaster battle. Still, the Strong Arm is a great choice for a manual-powered model. Power, manual projectile type, standard dart. Number 2. Best ball-style toy blaster. For a different style of toy blaster, check out the Nerf rival Roundhouse XX1500 blaster. Instead of foam darts, the XX1500 shoots foam balls, and they shoot fast and far, one of the best ranges that we've seen. We love the construction of this model. It has 5 integrated magazines that hold 3 foam balls each, and as the toy is set, its entire front cylinder is loaded. Also, it's great that the rival Roundhouse XX1500 has a trigger safety lever. The entire front cylinder has to rotate every time you want to shoot, making this Nerf gun a bit hard to set. For this reason, it is not the best option for small kids. Power, manual projectile type, foam balls. Number 3. Best one-handed battery-powered toy blaster. When it comes to battery-powered toy blasters, the Nerf Fortnite SMGE blaster is hard to beat in that it was designed to replicate a model from the actual Fortnite game. With a single 6-dart clip that easily loads and snaps into place, you'll spend less time fumbling with darts and more time blasting them. Unlike some battery-powered models with large revolving cylinders, the clip feeds darts straight into the barrel and thus fires quickly. Also good, it uses AA batteries that are readily available in most households and more affordable than the C and D batteries used by some other models. The main disadvantage is its short range. For maximum dart sailing distance with your battery-powered toy blaster, go with a more powerful option. The SMGE is best if you want a battery-powered Nerf gun that is easy to operate and fires quickly. Power, battery projectile type, standard dart. Number 4. A great kit that includes 2 blasters. The PO Convoy 2-pack blaster is perfect for someone who wants a complete battle set in one purchase. This set includes 2 blasters, plus 30 standard darts and 30 suction cup darts. Even if you lose a bunch, you'll never run out of projectiles. Underneath the barrel, this model holds 2 darts, perfect for quick reloading. This blaster is small, only 8 inches long by 5 inches tall. The PO Convoy is a single shot, so you have to load a dart and set the blaster every time you want to shoot. Power, manual projectile type, standard dart.